Raising a family today is expensive. Housing costs are higher. Food costs more. Insurance costs more. And it often feels like no matter how hard you work, there's always another bill waiting around the corner. That's why so many middle-class families feel stuck financially. Not because they're irresponsible, not because they're lazy, but because they never received a simple financial plan to follow. Instead, they're constantly reacting, paying bills, handling emergencies, trying to keep up, and hoping things improve. The good news is this: building financial security doesn't require a complicated system. It requires a simple plan. A plan you can follow month after month and year after year. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. This is the simple financial plan for middle-class families. Quick note: if you want my exact stock picks, I give away 3 high-quality picks every month for free. Link in the description. Let's get started. The first step is understanding where you currently stand. Most families know roughly how much they earn, but many don't know exactly how much they spend. And without clarity, it's impossible to improve. So the first step is simple. Know your numbers. How much money comes in every month? How much goes out? How much is left over? Where is the money actually going? This step alone often reveals opportunities for improvement. Not because families are doing everything wrong, but because small leaks often go unnoticed. A few subscriptions, impulse purchases, extra convenient spending. Over time, these add up. Financial progress begins with awareness. The second step is creating a family spending plan. Notice, I didn't say budget. Many people dislike that word. A spending plan simply means telling your money where to go before it disappears. Every dollar should have a purpose. Housing, food, transportation, savings, investing, family activities. The goal is not restriction. The goal is intention. Because intentional spending creates financial control. The third step is building an emergency fund. Every family needs a financial cushion. Because life happens. Cars break down. Appliances fail. Medical expenses appear unexpectedly. Without emergency savings, every surprise becomes a crisis. An emergency fund creates stability. It helps you avoid debt. And it helps keep your long-term financial plans on track. Even starting with a small emergency fund is better than having none. The fourth step is eliminating high-interest debt. This is one of the fastest ways to improve a family's financial situation. High-interest debt works against you every day. Credit cards, personal loans, consumer debt. These obligations consume future income, and they make wealth building much harder. The sooner high-interest debt is reduced, the faster financial progress becomes possible. The fifth step is protecting your family. This is something many people overlook. Insurance is not exciting, but financial disasters aren't exciting either. Health insurance, life insurance, homeowners or renters insurance, auto insurance. These protections help prevent a single event from becoming a major financial setback. Protection may not build wealth directly, but it protects the wealth you're trying to build. The sixth step is increasing household income. Most financial advice focuses entirely on reducing expenses. But income matters too. There are limits to how much you can cut. There is far less of a limit on how much you can earn. This doesn't necessarily mean working endless hours. It means improving skills, seeking opportunities, negotiating income, building side income streams. Additional income creates options, and options create flexibility. The seventh step is investing consistently. This is where long-term wealth begins. Many families wait too long to invest. They believe they need a large amount of money first. But investing is often more about consistency than amount. Small, regular investments can grow significantly over time. This is where compounding becomes powerful. Money earns returns. Then those returns begin earning returns. And over many years, the effect becomes substantial. The 8th step is teaching children about money. One of the greatest gifts parents can provide is financial education. Because most schools still don't teach these lessons effectively. Children who understand saving, investing, delayed gratification, and financial responsibility start life with an enormous advantage. These lessons often last far longer than material gifts. The 9th step is avoiding lifestyle inflation. This is one of the biggest wealth destroyers. Income increases, but spending increases just as fast. New vehicles, bigger homes, more subscriptions, more expenses. Financially successful families often allow their income to grow faster than their lifestyle. That difference becomes wealth. The 10th step is building family financial goals. Goals create direction. Without goals, financial decisions become reactive. Ask questions like, what do we want financially in 5 years? 10 years? 20 years? Do we want to pay off our home? Build retirement savings? Fund education? Travel more? Specific goals create focus. And focus creates progress. The 11th step is creating multiple income streams. Relying entirely on one paycheck can be risky. Many families build additional streams over time. Investments, side businesses, digital products, content creation, affiliate income, rental income. You don't need 10 income streams. You just need to start building something beyond a single paycheck. The 12th step is preparing for retirement early. Many people delay retirement planning because it feels far away. But retirement is much easier to build gradually than suddenly. The earlier contributions begin, the more time compounding has to work. And time is one of the most valuable assets investors have. The 13th step is communicating openly about money. Money problems often become relationship problems. That's why family financial discussions matter. Regular conversations create alignment, shared goals, shared priorities, and fewer misunderstandings. Financial teamwork is often one of the most underrated wealth-building tools available. The 14th step is focusing on progress, not perfection. No family handles money perfectly. Mistakes happen. Unexpected expenses happen. Life happens. The goal is not perfection. The goal is steady improvement. Small improvements repeated consistently create major long-term results. The 15th step is staying patient. This may be the most important step of all. Financial security is rarely built quickly. It grows gradually, month by month, year by year. But eventually the progress becomes visible. Debt shrinks. Investments grow. Stress decreases. Options increase. And that's when families begin to experience real financial confidence. Now let's simplify everything. If I were building a financial plan for a middle-class family today, I would focus on these priorities. Know your numbers. Create a spending plan. Build emergency savings. Eliminate high-interest debt. Protect your family. Increase income. Invest consistently. Teach financial skills. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Set goals. Build multiple income streams. Plan for retirement. Communicate openly. Focus on progress. And stay patient. That's the blueprint. Simple, practical, and powerful. Because financial success for families isn't built through complicated strategies. It's built through consistent decisions repeated over time. And if you're looking for a simple place to start investing, I'm giving away my 3 free stock picks. 1 overall stock, 1 value stock, and 1 high upside stock. They're selected through a rigorous screening process and designed to help investors learn to evaluate opportunities. You can grab them through the link below. If you want practical financial strategies that help real families build wealth and financial freedom, subscribe to the channel. Every week, I'll show you step-by-step ways to improve your financial future. Thank you for watching.